parents are lashing you guys? Why when you get in some beating, Jamaican parents are lashing you? Why do they like talk? Why they talk the beating them? Every like lick come with a sentence or a word after it. Go beard, get up, nasty, no. Nah, like me, nasty still come, never beard. But why when I get some lashing, them talk? Like why? It's just hard to understand, guys, honestly. But yeah, the more good morning YouTube, it's about Ty here. Now, as you can see, I'm in the middle of a 24 hours challenge where I only eat sour food for 24 hours. But my fellow subscriber, my fan, not really my fan, my cousin, as she called herself, recommended this story time. It's a story time of my mama lashing me, basically getting beat by my mom. So, this is the breakfast meal. This is early o'clock in the morning of my 24-hour challenge. I was like, I can't eat all of this for those 24 hours. I'm just gonna like, well, I can't eat all of this for the video one time. So why not just make a mukbang and give you guys a story time? Because I'm multitasking YouTube, guys. So let's go. Now, this is my breakfast. I can't eat nothing else. So I have to occupy my time. You might get all 10 different videos today. Anyways, if you're new, hit the like, hit the subscribe. It's the boy Ty. I'm from Jamaica. I'm very, very entertaining. I upload every day, if not every 2 days. Anyways, now, this was back in Jamaica and I was in, which school actually? Which one? I've gotten some lashing so many times, yo. The amount of mama lashing me get, right? My mother, did it? Mommy, congrats, mommy, congrats. Mommy, you're the best. You are the best, mommy. Congrats on those mama lashing you gave me. You really made me learn my lesson. I will never, ever, ever disobey you again, mom. Okay? I love you, mom. Mwah. Anyways, I'll give you the one when I was in primary school. Primary school lashing. Because, yeah, primary school lashing. Because, like, high school, I didn't really get no lashing in high school. You understand? Yeah, I really didn't get no lashing in high school. But primary school, oh gosh, man, this one, kill yourself. I get some lashing there. Anyways, this was back in primary school, guys. I think I can remember this because it was 6th grade. So yes, I want to get it really good for you guys. So, anyways, guys, I gotta do this for 24 hours, guys. So I food. It was back in 6th grade. So, it's like every single day when you're in primary school, you get homework. Every single day. And I was an idol as in primary school. Well, let's say an idol. I had to like travel so far to school and I had to go to halfway tree again. Like from primary school, I was like staying in a halfway tree. But I was in 6th grade, so I don't know, so you think I was there getting matured. And for those of you who are from Jamaica, halfway tree is a public place where you hang out and meet people, girl, and think so yeah, I always staying back after school with my friends, blah blah blah. No, when I go home in the evenings, guys, homework time. And I am not one to like get in and do my work at the same time. I am always occupied doing something else, not what I'm supposed to be doing, not doing my homework. Always finding something else to do, guys. So, no man. Mom was home, guys, and I was outside playing. What was I doing? It's like a far back memory, guys, but I don't know what was I doing. Far back memory, but I know. Look, it was early. The sun was out, right? The sun was out. The sun was out, and I was playing outside. My friend, Mom said, "Come and do your homework." Then you go back up. I said, "No, when I come in, I'll do it." Come in, I'm gonna do it. boy. They have play until 7 o'clock. I know so 7 o'clock in Jamaica, the place get darker, right? Up here in America, yo. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, sun hot outside, I don't know what's going on. But when 7 o'clock in Jamaica, the place get dark. And I was outside playing with my dirty foot. Everything my dirty like bus. As I was saying in Jamaica, I'm dirty like a bus, yeah. But I was dirty bad. Run go in. Me never bathe and nothing. Run guys straight in my bed. Boom. Jesus Christ, man. Well, that's one of the worst mistakes you could ever make when I live in a Jamaican house with the parents. Don't bathe. And just go straight in the bed with your dirty foot. Don't shower and go straight in the bed with your dirty feet. Guys, oh my word. All I could feel is a mopstick connect across the back. Welcome! Oh, Jesus. Hey, it was like hookworm. Yeah. Oh my word. Sometimes you can't forget these lashings. You can't forget them sometimes, guys. You can't forget them, yo. All I felt was like this big hell of a thing connect across my back. It's a matchstick you use, I might tell my mother. It's a matchstick, it's a belt. It's my own belt. I used to have this ugly belt. You know them belts, with the 3 stroke? The 3 hold them. And the 3 hook them. One of them used with the iron, the black belt them with the iron hook them in the 3 center one them. Yeah, them one there. Straight across my back. And then they just start connecting by the rapid. Black. Come beard. Watch out. Go to your chapel, come like this. Come beard, go beard. Rick is reaching the bathroom. Why when your mother is beating you or your parents are lashing you, guys? Why when you get in some beating, Jamaican parents are lashing you? Why do they like talk? Why they talk the beating them? Every like lick come with a sentence or a word after it. Go beard, get up, nasty, no. Nasty still come never beard. But why when I get some lashing, then talk? Like why? It's just hard to understand, guys, honestly. But yeah, the more the being soak in it, the worse it tastes. But yeah. Back to the story time. Alright, grab. And oh yes, gone at the shower, turn on the shower. Turn on the bathroom, the shower head. With them bleach there. You know, so let them fresh, you know, them beating them fresh, you know. So the water run for it, man, it all go in the yard, dance under there. That's what I put on, come on. Yo, me was so nasty! Man, no beard. But yeah, that's when I come out. Guess when me come out of the bathroom now, you know. 9 o'clock now, people. My school next morning, you know, and I have to travel a good distance to go to school, you know, people. Mine is short, right? I have to take like 2 buses to go to school. It's 9 o'clock, I have to wake up at 5. Homework never finished yet. I'm just bed at 9 o'clock. After me, I sleep so nice now. Get beat, wake me up to go shower. This is my more long, man. You just get some beat, you just get beat, and you come out of the bathroom. As they come out now, homework time. I said, Jesus. Honestly, I was like dodging it. I didn't want to do it. If it was maths, I think I would have done it because I like maths. I believe it was. I don't remember what kind of homework, honestly. I don't remember. It's from 6th grade, guys. I'm trying so hard to remember everything, but I'm getting it. So, oh boy. So, what did I do? So we sat around the table, right? Me and my mom sat around the table and was like, I'm there trying to do the work. It was English. I'm supposed to like put in some commas, yes. Not commas, what do they call again? Quotation marks. What them name? I don't remember them name. The question signs them and the conjunction them and the full stops them and what them on name. I don't remember what them name. Put in the marks them. Backside, man, I don't know. But yeah. Oh my every chance I got, I doze off. And every time I doze off, I lick straight me for wake up back. Do your work. Jesus, guys, I get some beaten there. Yo, that was, yo, looking back, it was fun and it was my fault. Yo, like, why was I so damn lazy? Shit, man. But guys, that's the story time. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's been your boy, Ty. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and look out for this 24 hours challenge that I'm doing. I'm trying to get as much sour food in the system as possible. You understand? But let me know I'm gonna work on that target soon. But it's been your boy, Ty, guys. Peace!